See, in this problem, we are given a plane. Okay, suppose this is normal to the plane. I have a line here. I have to find angle between this line and the plane. Now, you know that if theta is this angle, then we have the formula. You see here, drs of the normal are nothing but 2 minus 1 root k. And for the line, it is x plus 1 by 1 is equal to y by 2 equal to z plus 4 by 2. Therefore, drs of the line are 1, 2, 2. Now we know that the formula is nothing but sine theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So I'm having it as, he gave already that angle theta as pi by 6, therefore this will be 1 by 2 is equal to, I'm getting it as 2 root k by 3 root 5 plus k. So I have it as 9 into 5 plus k is equal to 4k. Or from this I have 5k is equal to, sorry, this is 16k here. So I have 45 is equal to 7k, or I have k is equal to 45 by 7. Let's go to next problem. Okay, here I missed an m here. Obviously it is magnitude. So it is very simple problem. Is just to apply the formula, that's all. You know how to find x bar cross y bar. And once you have that vector x bar cross y bar, okay, let's find x bar of cross y bar, that is, it is minus 1. Cross product formula I am applying. I am not writing the full determinant, that's all. So I am having 18 plus 4 22 I bar, and it is minus 1 plus 9, so it is 8j bar, and for k bar it is plus 12 plus 6 18 k bar. Now this is x bar cross y bar. Now we want its projection on z bar. So simply apply the formula x bar cross y bar dot z bar by mod z bar. So what am I getting? If I take dot with z bar, I am getting 66 minus 32 minus 216 by mod z bar. It will be root of 9 plus 16 plus 144. Rest is obvious. You simplify, you'll have the answer. Let's go to next problem. In this problem, as inside quantity is cot, I would like to convert this into cot. We know that tan inverse is nothing but pi by 2 minus cot inverse. So it is cot 43 pi by 4. Now we know that this is a periodic of period pi. Therefore, I can take away any number of pi's from the argument. So from this, I'll take away 10 pi's. I'm going to have it as cot 3 pi by 4. So you can see that now, as it is the principal argument, so I'll have it as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4, which is nothing but minus pi by 4. Let's go to next problem. So in this problem, you see you have this circle here, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. And on this circle, he took one point a 0 comma 3. Now he is talking about this chord AB. He extended it up to m such that AM is 2 times AB. That means B becomes midpoint of AM. Okay, you have to find locus of M. If I call M as alpha comma beta, then B is the midpoint of AM. So I'll have B as alpha by 2 comma beta plus 3 by 2. Now observe that B lies on this circle. So use the fact that it lies on the circle, you'll get the locus. So substituting, I'll have alpha square by 4 plus beta plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 times alpha by 2 minus 6 times beta plus 3 by 2 plus 9 equal to 0. So from this I am getting alpha square by 4 plus it is beta square plus 6 beta plus 9 by 4 plus 2 alpha minus 3 beta, that is equal to 0 I am getting. So multiplying throughout by a 4 and writing the locus of alpha comma beta, I have x square plus y square, this is plus 8x, and here this is minus 12y, that is minus 6y including this, and then plus 9 equal to 0 I am getting, which is nothing but option D. Let's go to next problem. See, in this problem we are given 2 points. We want the circle passing through these 2 points and having center on this. You see, I told you earlier, given 2 points, I can have infinitely many circles passing through those 2 points. To get equation to every circle or equation to that family of circles, I said we go for the circle having these 2 given points as the diameter and also the line joining the given points as L equal to 0. Once you have this circle equation and this line equation, any circle passing through A and B is of the form S plus lambda L equal to 0. So for that, let's first go for equation to the circle having AB as diameter. We know the formula, it is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0 plus lambda times line joining those 2 points is equal to 0. Now let's write equation to the line joining AB. You can see that the slope is 4 by 2, that is 2 is the slope, so I have it as 2x minus y plus is equal to, it's passing through 4 1, so it is 7. Therefore equation to AB is nothing but 2x minus y minus 7. Okay, so the required circle, it is of this form. Now simplifying this, I'll have it as x square plus y square minus 10x minus 6y plus 24 plus 5, that is 29 plus lambda times 2x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now you have to find the value of lambda such that this circle has its center on this line. You see, this is equation to any circle passing through the points A and B. We discussed it very extensively while doing the theory part on circles. So now you have this, you write center of this circle and use the fact that the center lies on this to find the value of lambda. Okay, I hope I can leave it there. Let's go to next problem.